Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your currency on Bitcoin wallet. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, launch open your bitcoin.com application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your account. And once you are logged in, from the main home page, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right. Soon after you open up settings, go ahead and tap on App Preferences. Select the Currencies option. Now, go ahead and tap on the arrow at the top right hand corner and select the preferred currency from the list. Soon after you choose the currency of your preference, you will be able to change your default currency on Bitcoin wallet. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.